Hey everyone! In today's Excel video, we will learn one of the most popular and powerful functions, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, also known as vertical lookup, helps you quickly find information in a table. Instead of manually scanning rows, Excel can instantly look up values for you. By the way, the spreadsheet I am using in this tutorial is linked in the description, so you can download it and practice along. In this example, we have a list of products with their IDs, names, and prices. What we want is, if I type a product ID here, I want Excel to automatically return the matching product name. Now to fetch the product name automatically, I will use the VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP has 4 parts. Lookup value. This is what you want Excel to search for. In our case, it's the product ID we type in cell F1. By selecting F1, we are telling Excel whatever ID the user types here, use that as a search key. Add a comma. Then comes table array. This is the range of data where Excel should look for the answer. Our product list goes from A2 to C6. So I will highlight that entire block. Add another comma. Next is column index number. This tells Excel which column from the table we want back. Column 1 is product ID, column 2 is product name, column 3 is price. Since we want the product name, we will type 2 and then add another comma. Finally, we have range lookup. This controls whether Excel should return an approximate match or an exact match. Because product IDs need to match exactly, we will select false. Then close the bracket and hit enter. Notice that right now Excel shows NA. Don't worry, that simply means there's nothing to look up yet, because we haven't typed any product ID in cell F1. As soon as we enter a valid ID, Excel will replace this with the matching result. Let me go ahead and enter product ID 103. And there you go, Excel instantly looks it up and shows keyboard. Now VLOOKUP isn't limited to just product names. We can also use it to fetch prices or any other information from the table. This time we will use almost the same formula. The only difference is the column index number. Price is in the third column of our table. So we will use 3 instead of 2. And that's it. Now if I type product ID 104, Excel shows both the product name and its price instantly. So that's VLOOKUP in Excel. One of the most useful formulas to quickly find information in your data. In future videos, we will also look at alternatives like XLOOKUP, which is even more powerful. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.